if you want to be able to fish and have canal and Galveston Bay access at any time, then this community here may be for you. We are in Grand Cay Harbour in Texas City. We are off the canal here in the community. As you can see, there are homes behind, but there are lots available. I wanted to let you know about this community. There are builders out here. There are land spots here available. So I'm all about giving you the updated information on lots and properties that may be of interest to you. This particular community is right off the bay, so I would say fishermen, people that love to go out on their boats, this is definitely geared for you. David Weekley, several years ago, started up at the front, so a lot of those lots and builds are already completed. At the back of the community, there is quite a lot of availability to go. I know DR Horton has 7 lots that they have purchased here in order to build homes for you. So what I'm going to show you today is a couple of their inventory homes that are about ready to go. Not quite. They're still working on the last finishing touches for those, but they have purchased some lots here. They are going to mark their territory here in this community at Grand Cay Harbour. So I wanted to show you what they have going on, and I wanted to let you know that there indeed is lots available right on the canal. And I wanted to also get in here and show you their amenities. They do have a pool here. They've got obviously amazing access for fishing out here, and all of the homes come with slips. So if that's interesting to you, if you've been looking for a property like this, let me know. I'm happy to give you any and all information about what's coming up with DR Horton and anybody else builder-wise that wants to make their place here. If you're ready, let's go take a look. Alrighty, this is one of DR Horton's plans out here. It's the Garland, 2134 square feet, 4 beds, 2 baths. There's a covered patio with views of Moses Lake and the wetlands out towards the back of the community. I did want to point out too that if you wanted to purchase a lot separately, you can actually hire your own builder here to build your home for you. The Texas City levee is also controlling floodwaters around here. None of the homes here have flooded, which has given an amazing opportunity for all of these homes to be built on grade, which is basically a slab foundation instead of pilings. I think that is super cool and one of the essentials for this community. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. Stay tuned for the Justin plan. This is another home by DR Horton here, a bit smaller than the last, 1839 square feet, 4-bed, 2-bath. There's a covered patio out back, and we still have views of Moses Lake and the wetlands. This entire street will be backed up to Moses Lake. As the street grows and continues to develop, they will add more canal spots. These lots here, these few lots that are available here, actually do not have boat slips available. They will have just the access to Moses Lake and the views there with no slips. I'd say 90% of the community has boat slips, especially off the canal. Enjoy.